Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome DevTools and going straight to the console. This saves clicks and gets you into interactive mode. Once done, type $x / target @ equals value to return matching nodes because $x runs an Xpath query and gives live elements. Make sure to use double quotes for the JS string and test a simple path such as / div to confirm results. You do this now to verify the page structure. It clarifies whether Xpath or CSS is the right tool. Next, you refine the expression so it returns the exact node you need. Start by using predicates and functions. For example, / a contains text. Submit finds links by visible text and / at class equals btn and at type equals submit narrows by multiple attributes. Once done, use position or 3 to pick the third item or normalize space to remove odd white space. Make sure to rerun $x after edits so you see immediate feedback, and inspect return nodes to confirm attribute. Finally, you interact with the found element and handle common issues. You can call $x 0 click to trigger a click or assign the node to a variable like constel equals $x 0 for repeated actions. If $x returns nothing, make sure the element isn't inside an iframe or shadow root or that it hasn't been added dynamically after load. In those cases, target the correct document or wait for rendering. One troubleshooting tip: check console messages and confirm you're querying the act.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.